Good evening, my dear friends. This is Sai Charan. I feel you all watched my previous video why I am going to start these sessions, and this session is regarding share marketing. And in these sessions, this is the first video I will be posting, and from today onwards I will post one video weekly. If time permits, I will post it twice. Okay, and in this first video, I am going to explain what is the share price. See, whatever, if we are learning something, first we have to start from the definition. The same pattern I am also going to start. See, let us how a layman thinks. Okay. And I believe most the layman think in a share price is a value which we could buy it and sell it. Of course, it's his some part of the definition is true, but what value is actually it's holding. See, share price is also one the value which he tells is not a virtual value. Okay, it's also a physical value. Like land, it holds some value. Why? How you are saying it holds some value? Because the neighbor plant is he could selling at some level, and in front of my house he is also selling at some level. So in the same manner, I also sell it at some level. Okay, and my land is this much big, and his land is a little bit small than me, and in front of my land person, his land is little bit big than my land. So every land holds different value. Okay, likewise share price is also one value, and which is split from the company capital. Okay, from the company market capital, it is split. And means for detailed understanding, I think I should give some example to you, so that you all could better understand it. Let us assume there is a hotel. Okay, and the hotel value is around 3 crores as of now, and there are 6 owners are there. Okay, whose value each value holds around 50 lakh of shares. Okay, so everybody holding it, and the company is earning around year on year 20 lakhs of sales they are going to make. Okay, and if the hotel is running, and there could be maintenance, of course, employees would be there in the hotel, and some maintenance also would be there. For that expenses, we consider the hotel is having the expenses of 5 lakhs. So sales minus expenses 15 lakh, and 15 lakhs is a profit who promoters means owners could share. Okay, but this is a profit before tax, and they have to pay profit. Okay, so they have paid 2 lakhs. Now 13 lakhs is there. So as they are purchased that company, and they made some money, so they want to distribute some profits as well with among them. So 3 lakhs they have taken as a dividend. Okay, and 10 lakhs again capital. Okay, it is converted into capital. Now how much capital became? 3,10,000. Okay, market capital became as 3,10,000. Not market capital, it's actually a value, which asset value. So asset value is increased with the 3 crores property value become 3 crore 10 lakh. Of course, profit is there in the asset, and as well as the hotel, the company what value holds, now it is got increased. Let us consider the 3 crores property, after 1 year it became 4 crores. So the market capital is now around 4 crore 10 lakh. So now their share value is also got increased. The person who holds at 50 lakh share is now holding at a value of around 70 lakh. Of course it is true, but when you say when you will say मतलब मेरा शेयर प्राइस 70 लाख हो गया, जब कोई खरीदने वाला है तब तक नहीं पता पड़ेगा. Yes, of course it is true. If you until you sell that your 50 lakh share at around 70 lakh to another person, until then you can't know that your value is 70 lakh. Yes. So now the owners who are purchased that whole, they are promoters. Okay, and they want to increase the capital. Okay, so for capital summation, what we will do, they will do, they could take debt from the bank, and another is they could issue public shares, and they could means they could raise funds from the public, and they also want to share some profits as well. Okay, so the value, the hotel value is actually holds at 4 crore rupee, but they are going to sell it at around 6 crores, at 6 crores, or else the 4 crore same property they are going to put it at around with the value of around 8 crores. Okay, see, so with 8 crores of market capital, they are taking 50% of shares with as a promoter holding, who in the previous 6 owners are there, they are taking those share, and they are going to keep 4 crore, means they are 6 persons. So again 6 more shares they are going to split for around 8 crores. So means if it is split, the 8 crore of market capital is split at around 10 shares, 10 or let's say 20. Okay, 20 means by 10 it's a 80 lakh each share worth, by 2 40 lakh. So each share is worth around 40 lakh, and but company value holds at 4 crore, and 40 lakh what it is, it's an initial public offer they are put. Okay, so if there are available buyers ready to buy, means it doesn't be necessary like every IPO price values at a good price. There would be expensive IPO prices as well. Okay, so if interested buyers are there, they would buy even at that price. Okay, this is because the company is running in a good management and they are doing good business, so they are publishing at higher prices. Let us consider another business. The same company who hold that company, they are having a huge debt. So each promoter uh, that time I have said the 4 crores of property, right? Consider in the 4 crores they are having 2 crores of debt, okay, and 2 crores of their market capital is present. So the company is going to become bankruptcy, and means they are actually let us consider the promoters holding only 1 crore, and based on market capital the debt is huge. The debt is 3 crores and their capital is around 1 crore. So they want to reduce debt of the company so that they could be able to gain some profits. Consider 2 crores of market capital they would given in a public offering at a very good value. So this time this is a good value. Even at IPO price people able to buy it. Likewise, so now shares are splitted the company, and what before we discussed is let us go back to previous idea, okay. 8 crores of means previously I have given some insight regarding if a company is having some debt and they will going to sell it at a very good value to you to reduce their debt, okay. If the company is actually working at a good level, they are going to sell it at a very expensive level, and people may ready to buy it or may not ready to buy it, okay. This is how it works, okay. Now why very frequently the share prices will used to fluctuate, okay. That thing we will discuss now. I consider that 8 crore of market capital is divided into 20 parts. Now that 20 parts, so each market each share value hold at around 40 lakh, right? If the person who holds 40 lakh value, he is able to sell at 80 lakh, okay. And if the person other person is ready to buy it, what the market capital is going to become now? 40 lakh profit, right? If I am going to sell at higher price, so the company market capital is going to be at 8,40,000 when he could buy at 80, he could sell at 80 lakh. If the same person who means if the more shares are there, if people ready to buy at this level, if people ready to sell at this level, the price will be shown at the display, okay. That's in the share market. Likewise I have given some example, and consider the same person who holding 40 lakh, and he wants to have some he have some medical emergency for that money, and there are no buyers are there for that company, so he is ready to sell at even lesser value only. Means 40 lakh of market capital, he is ready to sell at around 30 lakh, 20 lakh even. Now what the share price share price will be going to become 20 lakh share price is become. Likewise, share price is used to fluctuate. This is what my understanding in about the share price, and please feedback me if you are able to understand my point of views, okay. I'll keep posting weekly. Thank you.